What's up and welcome back to the shop. On this episode of 5 Minute Fix, we're going to be fixing the air compressor, one of two. This is a Husky 80-gallon air compressor. We've had it in the shop for a couple years and it has developed an issue. Once it shuts off, all the air leaks out of the tank. We're going to show you what the symptoms are, what that issue is, and how you can fix it if you encounter this in your shop. And this is what the new check valve looks like. It will allow air in this way, but not out this way. So it traps the air within the tank. And this is what we're going to be replacing today on this episode of 5 Minute Fix. Tools you'll need for this job are fairly simple. Obviously, you'll need the new check valve. You'll need a 7/8, 13/16 combination wrench, a 1/2 inch wrench that will uninstall and reinstall the unloader valve tube. And then you'll need just some regular, I use gray Teflon tape to seal all the threads into the tank. You don't need to put any Teflon tape on the compression fittings themselves. Never use Teflon tape on compression fittings. You'll only need Teflon tape on the threads that go into the actual tank itself. In this valve, you can clearly see that the plastic disc is lopsided, and there's pieces of debris right there. That is where the check valve has failed, and that's what's causing it to remain open when it should in fact be closing. So that is why the check valve has failed, and truth be known, I could probably put that back in. Alright, we've got our new 90-degree elbow installed, we've got our Teflon installed, and this is ready to go back on the air compressor tank. Well, there you have it, guys. This was an easy project. The check valve has been replaced. The air compressor is back in action. And as always, we appreciate it if you like, comment, and subscribe. If you like seeing this stuff and want to see more of it, I'll keep it coming. Once again, thanks for watching this episode of 5 Minute Fix.